We are going to talk about how NewSQL databases do sharding. For our discussion, we are going to use Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a NewSQL database. Look at this architecture diagram. We can see Azure SQL Database uses elastic database tools to do sharding. Data, transactions, database query, database jobs, and sharding are managed by the tools. Let's look at one implementation of the architecture. In a cloud computing environment, if we have a large database, then the database may have multiple shards. In a multi-tenancy environment, each tenant's database is a shard. Again, sharding is managed by the elastic database tools. There is a related technology, that's partitioned table. A partitioned table is used for distributed storage. It's not a real sharding. To implement a partitioned table, there are several steps. First, we need to create a partition function. In our example, we have 4 ranges of data. These are the boundary values. The partition function will determine how the data is divided for partitioning. Next, we need to create a scheme. The scheme will determine how the data will be physically distributed. In our example, there are 4 file groups for this scheme. Lastly, we can create a partitioned table based on the scheme. Again, a partitioned table is for distributed data storage. It's not the real sharding. This concludes our discussion on how NewSQL databases do sharding and a related technology.